So hello guys, welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings. This is a stories that how I'm sharing a video idea of how I can take this trade university that I am planning to take it. I have shared this zone on my stories also. So let's take how I will take this trade. So as of now, this is a 5 minute time frame of EUROUSD. My higher time frame bias is bullish because we have reacted with that monthly fair value gap. So currently we were in the range and now we have swept out this liquidity here, and now we got the demand area here. Also we got some liquidity here, that means prices just want to go above, so it just induced some buyers here. It gives them TPs, but they were expecting that price will close above this. But you see, in the premium price nobody wants to buy and sell at the higher price, so now price will just likely to go up to the here. I think price will just likely to go here, and then we can just see a shift. So as the time frame is bullish, 5 minute time frame bullish with the confirmation liquidity here, liquidity sweep, that makes it full good buying position as of now. So I'm expecting that price to cross this area and reacting here, some sort of liquidity build up, sweep up, and then it can target higher. So my target will be like this area. So this is my euro USD breakdown. I am bullish on this. I said I will capture almost 2000 pips. So let's see. Uh, can I capture 2000 pips this month? So let's move on to the process. Thank you.